just love Source Sport International.
Hello students, welcome to the Source Sport learning session on the topic of matter for the science subject for grade 6. As you know, Source Sport is one of the leading names help students in their life goals through schooling, sports and life skills. So let us start our class. This is our second session. So today we are going to learn about effect of heat on matter and changes of the state. What are the effects of heat on the matter? When heat is supplied to any form of matter, it causes many changes. So let us discuss that one. First one is expansion. Almost all forms of matter expand on heating and contract on cooling. On heating, the particles of a substance gain energy and start vibrating rapidly about their positions. They are pushed away from each other, due to which the intermolecular space between them increases. As a result, the size of the substance also increases. Increase in size of matter is called expansion, and when this expansion occurs due to the heat, it is called thermal expansion. But there is an exception. Almost all state of matter expand on heating, but however, water is one of the substances which expand on freezing. This is why ice occupies more space than water. On expansion, the basic properties of matter also get affected. That is, its shape and volume get changed. Most solids expand on heating and contract on cooling. However, different solids expand to different extent for the same rise in temperature. A liquid expand more than solid and gas expand most on heating. This is an experiment to demonstrate the thermal expansion, which is caused by heat, is in solid. So metal required Bunsen burner, a beaker containing cold water, a metal ball and a ring apparatus like this. What are the procedures? Set up the ball and the ring apparatus as shown in the figure. Notice that the metal ball can easily go through the ring attached to the stand at room temperature. Turn on the Bunsen burner and heat the ball over a few minutes. Try to pass the heated ball through the ring. So what you will observe, the ball will not pass through the ring because it expands on heating. Then come to the another procedure. Put the heated ball in a beaker containing cold water and again try to pass the ball through the ring. You will observe that this time the ball passes through the ring as it has contract on cooling. So solid expands on heating and contract on cooling. Then come to the change of the state. Change of the state are physical changes in matter. They are reversible changes. They don't involve change in matter's chemical makeup or chemical properties. This is only physical changes. Common change of state including melting, freezing, sublimation, deposition, condensation and vaporization. During a change in state, the heat is used to change the bonding between the molecules. In case of melting, added energy is used to break the bond between the molecules. So in the change of matter, some energy is used either to change the bonding between the molecules or to break the bond between the molecules. Change of state. On heating, the molecule of matter move rapidly and expand. Due to their continuous movement while heating, they change from one state to another. This is known as change of a state of matter. For example, ice on heating changes to water and water on heating changes to steam. This process can be reversed. If we cool steam We get water. If we keep the water in a freezer, we get the ice, which is solid. So ice, solid to liquid, liquid to gas. This is called change of state of matter. During the change of state, there is usually an exchange of heat between the substance and the environment. When the heat is added to the substance, the process is called endothermic. For example, melting, vaporization are endothermic process. When the heat is released from the substance, the process is called exothermic. For example, freezing, condensation are exothermic process. Melting. We know the process in which the solid converted to liquid in a particular temperature, that is called melting, and that temperature is called melting point. Vaporization. The process in which liquid absorb heat and changes into gaseous state, that is called vaporization. Two ways of vaporization in which liquid changes into gaseous states. One is evaporation, another is boiling. What happens in evaporation? The slow and gradual conversion of a liquid into a gaseous state is called evaporation. Evaporation occurs only from the surface of the liquid and depends on the speed of the wind on the surface of the area. So humidity of an area depends on the rate of evaporation. Drying of a hair after washing and drying of a floor after mop are few examples of evaporation. So evaporation happens only the surface of the liquid area. But boiling, the process in which the liquid rapidly changes into gaseous state at constant temperature is called boiling. That particular temperature is known as boiling point. The boiling point of alcohol is 78 degrees Celsius and that of pure water is 100 degrees centigrade. Boiling is not just a surface phenomenon, it takes place throughout the liquid. You can see this video on YouTube and you can subscribe this one. So this is the end of the chapter matter. Next time I will come with the another subject, another chapter. Thank you.